Welcome to the 3Motional channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily import ATN files into Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever wondered how to incorporate stunning and time-saving actions into your Photoshop workflow, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Photoshop user, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, so you can quickly enhance your editing capabilities. So without further ado, let's dive right in and discover the power of ATN files in Photoshop. Find and download the ATN file you want to import into Photoshop. ATN files are typically action files that contain a series of recorded steps or effects. Then launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best compatibility. Go to the Window menu at the top of the Photoshop interface and select Actions from the drop-down menu. This will open the Actions panel, where you can manage and import actions. In the Actions panel, click on the small menu icon in the top right corner of the panel. From the menu, select Load Actions. This will open a file browser dialog box. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the ATN file. Select the ATN file and click Load or Open to import it into Photoshop. Once the ATN file is successfully imported, you will see the action set appear in the Actions panel. Expand the set by clicking the small triangle icon next to its name. You will then see the individual actions within that set. To apply an action to an image, simply select the desired action from the Actions panel and click on the Play button at the bottom of the panel. Photoshop will automatically execute the recorded steps or effects on the selected image. That's it. You have successfully imported an ATN file into Adobe Photoshop and can now utilize the included actions to enhance your images and streamline your editing process. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial on importing ATN files into Adobe Photoshop. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly incorporate powerful actions into your editing workflow. Don't forget to experiment with different ATN files and explore the vast array of effects and enhancements they offer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 3Motional channel for more exciting tutorials and creative content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and capturing those amazing moments. Goodbye.